The Pacific holds countless secrets in its crushing depths. Some are lost forever. Others wait to be found.
Dr. Sarah Chen, an aviation archaeologist, has spent 15 years chasing ghosts. Today, she stands closest to one. Positioned above the wreckage site. 30 years ago, an F-117 Nighthawk vanished during a classified training mission.
The pilot ejected safely, but the aircraft and its secrets were never recovered.
Marcus Rodriguez, the mission's technical director, a salvage specialist who speaks the ocean's brutal language.
Sonar confirms the target, sitting upright at 300 meters. Visibility will be near zero down there.
Lieutenant James Howell, former pilot, now controls the eyes and hands that will venture into the dark.
All systems green. Cameras, manipulators, thrusters. Ready for deployment.
This aircraft was the first operational stealth fighter, the tip of a new spear. We're not just recovering metal.
We are recovering history. A history that has been sleeping in the dark for 30 long years.
We fight ocean currents, work in total darkness. We get one chance at this.
We deploy the ROV first. Survey, document. Then we plan the lift. The structure is compromised, unpredictable.
Somewhere below, in the crushing silence, a piece of history waits.
Preparation is a ritual. Every connection double-checked. Every system pressure-tested. The margin for error is zero. This is the gateway. The threshold between the world of air and light and the world of pressure and dark.
Control response is good. No lag in the systems. We are a go.
We treat this aircraft with respect. Its last moments were violent. It is a recoverable asset, but also a grave.
The structure is aluminum and composite. Salt water is a relentless enemy. We must find hard points that can still bear weight.
Communications?
Check.
Power systems? Check.
"100 meters. The pressure is 10 atmospheres. The temperature near freezing. This is the realm of absolute dark."
Visual contact in 30 seconds.
"30 years of transformation. A weapon of war became an artificial reef. Life claimed the machine. Weapons bay is open. Interior structure looks surprisingly intact. It's become a home.
Serial number confirmed. This is 820806. Lost November 1995. The record is now physical, not just digital.
The ejection sequence was textbook. The pilot got out. You can see the story in the metal.
He fought for control until the last second. The angle of entry was steep, but not a complete vertical crash.
These are combat repairs. This aircraft saw action before it was lost. It's a veteran.
Engines are history, but the mounts look good.
potential load-bearing points.
There, the main hard points. If they're still sound, they're our key to bringing her up.
Hard point is solid. Structural integrity confirmed at primary location.
If we use 4 primary points, we can distribute the load. She might weigh only 12 tons now.
We must stabilize it during ascent. The wings could flex. The composites might react unpredictably to pressure change.
We have what we need. Bring the ROV up. It's time to build the harness.
A new day. The weather window is perfect. The most critical phase begins now. First attachment is secure. Load distribution nominal. 20 minutes pass. 2 attachments, then 3. The clock ticks against the current window.
All 4 attachments confirmed and locked. Ready for lift.
Begin lift sequence. Ascent rate, 5 meters per minute. Monitor everything.
Lift confirmed. She's coming up.
No visible damage. Composite materials are holding. Continue ascent.
Capture everything. The marine growth, the corrosion patterns. This is the story of its 30-year sleep. This aircraft became an ecosystem, an artificial reef. These organisms tell their own tale of time and depth.
It has returned. The lost Nighthawk is back in the world of air and sky.
3 decades lost, now found. The first and perhaps greatest hurdle is cleared.
Now, the work of understanding begins. Before restoration comes documentation.
Avionics, destroyed. But the cockpit tub structure is intact. The pilot's capsule survived the ocean.
The bones are good. The primary structure is there. It's a blueprint we can rebuild from.
Captain Barrett's personal touch. A human signature that outlasted the ocean.
Impact stress and corrosion, but manageable. The wings will need reinforcement before she flies again.
The first phase of resurrection is complete. It has been recovered, cleaned, and understood. A journey from the deep ocean to the dry desert. From a recovery site to a workshop of rebirth. This is where the impossible is made routine, where dead aircraft are given a second life. Chief Restoration Engineer David Martinez eyes the aircraft with a mix of assessment and ambition.
Stealth coating is gone. Composites are better than expected. Everything internal is new work.
A complete teardown, every piece assessed, salvageable or replaceable. This is archaeology meets engineering.
Old technology is reborn through new technology. The past is rebuilt with the tools of the present.
The original engines are dust. Their replacements are rebuilt from the ground up, ready to breathe fire again. Piece by piece, system by system, the Ghost takes solid form. The empty frame fills with purpose.
We're not just restoring a machine, we're preserving knowledge. The how is as important as the what.
It stands. It looks like an aircraft again. But it is still silent, still waiting for its final test. The final skin. A new black cloak for the Ghost. The transformation from relic to aircraft is nearly complete.
James prepares. The Nighthawk flew like no other. Unstable by design, tamed by computer. He must become one with it again.
All systems green. We are go for first flight.
The morning is clear and still. The aircraft that was lost is found, restored, and ready to answer the only question that remains.
Beginning start sequence. Beginning start sequence.
The sound of resurrection. A howl not heard in this air for decades. It is alive.
Nighthawk 06 cleared for takeoff, runway 27. Power set. Airspeed building.
It is airborne. The Nighthawk has returned to the sky.
All parameters nominal. Looking beautiful from here, 06.
Perfect. She flies like she never left.
This is their moment too. A shared victory pulled from the depths, built by hand, and now flying before them.
Nighthawk 06, final approach.
It is home, not just on the ground, but back in its element. The circle is closed.
How was it?
Perfect. Perfect. Every system. She's back. She's back.
This represents the idea that nothing is truly lost if we have the will to recover it.
30 years ago, it disappeared. Today, it flew. You made that happen.
Captain Barrett had to leave it behind. Today, in a way, we completed his mission. The Nighthawk came home.
I thought we were fixing an old plane. But we were keeping knowledge alive.
The knowledge doesn't die, it grows. This story ensures that.
We fly it again. We let people see it, learn from it, understand that the past doesn't have to stay buried.